Okay, so this is week 12, assignment 3. As I've told you before, every other week you'll be practicing typing. So this week is typing. So what you need to do is go to this website, and what I want you to do is practice typing commonly misspelled words. To do that, you see where it says lesson here? You click on it and you go down to number 36 and you click on it and say start test. Now you can take the test. It's for you to practice. Remember, this is for you to get better. It's not a grade on how fast you do it. It's just as long as you are getting better. And then when you are typing, you're going to find words. It's a whole bunch of words that come up. And you have to pick 5 of these words and put it in the assignment and send it to me. Okay, so you don't have to tell me what your speed is. If you want to, please do. But I want you to put 5 of these words in the assignment. If you have any questions, let me know.